Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen, and in here, swipe down again. This will extend the list of toggles, which reveals power saving mode. When you see it, you can just tap on it. It automatically enables and gives you this quick message on what will be changed. So that's how you can enable it. Now when you're done with it, you can again pull down your notifications, click on the power button, or not power, this power saving mode again, and this will turn it off and obviously revert all the changes. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.